What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ronnie with RC Bassin. And tonight, man, I am super fired up and we're going to talk about what's new in 2022. Man, there are so many things that we've got planned for 2022. I don't know if I can fit them all into one session, but we are really going to set some high marks and some high goals this year. And we're really going to do our very best to knock those things out of the park and bring you some great content here on the channel and get you all involved in the RC Bassin Nation. So for all of you who have subscribed to the channel so far, strap in, baby. It's going to be a great one in 2022. And if this is the first time you're visiting the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the RC Bassin Nation on this trip. 2022 is shaping up to be a fantastic year, and we're going to be absolutely unstoppable. So one of the first things you're going to notice is we got a RC Bassin Tackle Studio makeover. So we did a little redo, kind of revamped the tackle studio here to give you a little bit better viewing experience so you can get a clearer picture of what we've got going on here in the tackle studio. And I'm really excited about our new look and look forward to hearing your comments and feedback on the new tackle studio look. We're also blessed this year already in 2022 to reach 200 subscribers, man, 200. Now, I know a lot of the bigger channels, a lot of folks are like, well, 200, that's a drop in the bucket. But hey, you got to start somewhere. And as of today, we are 216 subscribers strong, and we're still climbing every day and every hour of every day. So we really started putting some lift under the channel in November. And I'll tell you, we've got some older videos out there, and I really got to apologize to the RC Bassin Nation because they just weren't really very good. I think the content was good, but man, did our delivery need some work. So we're continuing to get better here at RC Bassin and going to keep stepping up our game every time we crank out some new videos so that we give you a better product, a better experience, and better information to help you improve your fishing experience. All right, so since November, we have gained, like I said, 216 subscribers, but we've also reached 20,000 views, over 20,000 views in a really short period of time. And I want to thank all of the RC Bassin Nation for all of your views, all the time that you take to watch our content here on the channel, all the comments for encouragement and continuation of what we're doing here at RC Bassin. I really look forward to crushing it in 2022. So we've got some new partners in 2022. We always had Monster Bass as a partner. I've been a member of the Monster Bass family for a long time subscriber to Monster Bass. I really love their tackle subscription service. I've tried a bunch of different ones. Monster Bass really seems to be the one that's stuck with me. And then I'm proud to partner with Team Shredfin this year in 2022. So Shredfin has a whole line of fishing apparel. If you get a chance, go over to shredfin.com and check them out. And what this means for the RC Bassin Nation is that in 2022, we're going to be able to bring you some product reviews and some discounts on fishing hats, gloves, shirts, and some discounts on tackle. And we're going to keep looking for partners to bring to the team, bring to the RC Bassin Nation in 2022. And I promise that we will always come back to you, the RC Bassin Nation subscribers, and give you every bit of value and discount that we're able to provide to you for being loyal fans and loyal members of the RC Bassin Nation family. We've also added some gear in 2022. And we're going to do our best to bring you some great content from the water, out on the boat, live action. We've got some YOLO tech, some GoPros that we're putting on the boat. We're going to bring you, we can talk tackle while we're out on the water conditions, fishing conditions, and we'll do some fishing trip recaps. Good or bad, we're going to bring it to you right here on the channel. We're going to continue to fish with our veterans. I'm a 22-year combat veteran myself, and I love to take veterans out on the water and introduce them to the sport of fishing that I've grown to love since I was a young kid. And so we're going to fish in some veteran fishing derby type events in 2022. And we're going to try to introduce some of our new veterans into fishing and provide them with some tackle to get them started into the sport. A lot of these guys come out to fish, guys and gals. They don't know anything about fishing. They don't have any fishing tackle. And here at RC Bassin, we try to set them up for the day. And then if we can get them some tackle to help them get started in their fishing journey, man, that's just an added plus. just my way of giving back to our fellow veterans for all the service they provided to our country that provides the freedoms we all enjoy to get out on the water and bass fish. We're going to take some trips around our local lakes here in central and western Kentucky. I live in Kentucky, and so we're going to fish everywhere from Rough River Lake to Kentucky Lake to Cumberland Lake. We're going to take some trips down to Tennessee. I'm just blessed to have a little spot down on Cherokee Lake, so we're going to do some serious fishing down on Cherokee Lake this year in 2022. I plan on traveling over to Douglas and to Dale Hollow Lake. And I live right up on the Kentucky River. So I'm sorry, the Ohio River. So we're on the Kentucky side. So we're going to do some river fishing in the Ohio River and see what we can do about some river bass fishing this year as well. One last thing that we're going to do in 2022. Every month, we're going to do some giveaways. And I think we're going to start to incorporate some live events. And we may do something here in the month of January. We've got a competition going on right now, and I'm going to leave a link above so you can hit that now, go over and join that competition for the month of January. We're giving away a spinning reel. And so every month, I want to try to do a live event, try to do some giveaways so that we can have an opportunity to talk tackle and talk fishing, everything to do with fishing. And then maybe we can bring on some of our folks on the RCBASSIN Nation team to talk their fishing experiences. And then we'll look for an opportunity, maybe even bring in some of our veterans or active duty service members, wounded warriors, to kind of talk to us about their experiences on RCBASSIN and how they got started into fishing, or if we can help them get into the sport of fishing. Okay, so listen, that about wraps it up for this time on this video. But man, I am super fired up about 2022. Really look forward to bringing all of you into the RCBASSIN Nation. Keep watching those videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, give us a thumbs up, leave some comments below. Let me know what kind of content you'd like to see on RCBASSIN, because I want to bring you value-added information that you're looking for, and I want to make sure your experience is a good experience here with the RCBASSIN Nation. All right, until we get to talk again, as always, stay safe out on the water. God bless everyone. Take care of yourselves. Tight lines, and you know how we do it here, baby. Hook 'em up.